today I have a package from JAKKS Toys. And I'm so excited to open it, and I actually have no idea what's in here. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here's their Instagram, and their website is JAKKS.com. This is great! So, the first thing in here is the Nickelodeon slime. You pass it around and try not to get slimed. That's awesome. So you make the slime, load the balloon, start the timer, pass it around, and hope not to get slimed. That's awesome. So because this will probably take a while, me and my friend are gonna do another video using this. Look out for that. And then, I've always wanted to do this. It wasn't as fun as I thought it would be. That kind of hurt. But yay! It's squishies! Oh my god, I love squishies. This is amazing. I'm gonna randomly choose and see which one I get. This one. Okay. I'm really excited. I want to try to guess what's in here. Here's the packaging. And these are all the ones you can get. It feels circular. I think I got the sloth. If I get this right, I'm gonna die. Oh, what is this? It's so cute. I got like a duck thing. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like when you walk into Holiday Inn and you get like the aroma of like that perfumey hotel smell. Okay, let's see which one we get next. This one feels big. Here are all the ones you can get. Guess in 3, 2, 1. I think it's gonna be the unicorn. Let's see. It's the sloth! Oh my god! It's so cute! This one smells really good too. This one kind of smells like coconut. I'm in heaven right now. This is amazing. So now we got this one. I have no idea which one we're gonna get. I kind of feel like we got the robot. Whoa! Is this a seal? He smells good. He smells like peach. He's mad. He's like, why are you squishing me? He looks like he has a cat face on like a seal. Me and my squishy dudes are chilling. Okay, let's see which one's next. Next we got one of these. Oh, I got 2 seals. I got the girl and the boy. They can be like best friends. Oh my god, she's so cute. I'm way too excited about having 2 of the same one in different colors. Like that makes me so happy. Next we got this one. I think it's gonna be a giraffe. It's a punching thing. I'm gonna bop you, bop, bop, bop. This one's super soft and it smells like the peach squishy again. He looks mad. Here's the last one, besides the big one. It's a ladybug with glasses! Oh my god, that's adorable. This one's really airy. Like air comes out when you squish it. Time for the moment we've all been waiting for. I want to try to guess what it is. I'm gonna say it's the dog. I just feel it. If it is, I'm gonna die. You know what? I think I'm gonna change my guess. I think it's the monkey. I just get the feeling that it's gonna be the monkey. I just feel it. Oh my god, I was right! I had no idea! I totally didn't look, and I promise I did not cheat. So I got the monkey, and it's so cute and big. I actually have another one of these squishies. I have the bunny, and it's like so amazing. It smells like lemonade, fruit punch, tropicalness. It's so big and squishy. So this is the Jumbo Squishy Delish, and this is the Series 2. I got the bunny from the Series 1 bag. This was hands down the best surprise box I've ever opened, like ever. So look out for this in an upcoming YouTube video to see their website with all these awesome squishies and a bunch of other toys, JAKKS.com, or you can go to their Instagram or YouTube, JAKKS, JAKKS, to check them out, and I'll have all their links down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!